Look at that. Same day. Hey, remember all that planking? The oak tongue and groove planking? Well, I sorted out all the long ones. I counted up the long ones so that I could tell somebody how many good long ones there were. And then I moved this carpet over, the carpet pad over, so I could scrape this, take the staples out, take the tack strip out. This is looking nice now. And then I measured up the square footage of this area where the flooring was. That way, and it was like 212 square feet. I measured up this area, behind the refrigerator, behind the stove, down in that little area, this cubby, the bathroom, this hallway, the foyer area. And so on my ad, I'll say approximately 200 square feet, or I'll put 200 and I came up with 212 square feet. I'll just say 210 square feet approximately, and then I'll say 120 full-length pieces. You know, that were 3 inches wide by 45 inches long, and then all the other scrap and everything. And where did I put that? You remember that big old huge pile? Well, let's get this light. Let's get this light turned on. There's not much light in here. Here it is. Here's all my full-length pieces. Here's my 3/4 pieces. Here's my shorts. And I'll tell somebody 210 square feet approximately, 120 good full-length pieces, and the remaining bit for the square footage. And you remember that big old huge pile? Well, if you stack it up and take your time and get it all loaded up, there you go. Now, I'm probably only going to make maybe $125. I've spent a long time on there, you know, but here's my thought. I'd rather do that and help somebody out than throw this stuff away if somebody's so inclined to want this. And I don't know until I post it on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. I'm not sure which one I'm going to do, or maybe I'll do both. Who knows? And, you know, this will help somebody out, and I'll have reduced my carbon footprint. I won't have thrown this away. Yeah, it took me a little bit extra time to do it, but I'm, you know, kind of investing a little bit of time into helping somebody else out who maybe can't afford brand new flooring, but this flooring will be good. Okay, well, there's my thought, and I'll keep you posted on what happens, whether or not I sell this. I've got a good 2 weeks, and if I don't have it sold within 2 weeks, hey, guess what? Chop City, it's going in the dumpster. I may even have to cut this in half to get it out there on a low profile with my little IKEA bag, but we'll see. We'll see. Well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.